Today's video is a battle of the wall hangers. Which product can hold its own weight, and which one will crack under the pressure? Hang around and you'll find out. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. Instead of our normal product review, today we thought we'd take a product from one of our most popular review videos and see how it matches up against some of the available alternatives. And for today's showdown, we're comparing the 3M Claw 5 drywall hangers we reviewed back in March of this year with the 3M heavy-duty command strips, and finally, we'll see how they both hold up against two different types of wall anchors. With so many different wall hangers out there, some more complex than others, it can be tough to make a decision on which one is appropriate for hanging specific items on certain types of walls. Not all wall hangers are created equal. Some require an amount of prep. Some even need wall repair after you remove them. Your choice can come down to a combination of handyman skill, motivation levels, and personal preference. So, let's get started. First up, we have the 3M Claw 5 drywall picture hanger. If you follow the channel, you'll know that we did a review and giveaway of this product back in March. The 3M Claw 5 drywall picture hangers are easy to use, not requiring to be nailed into a stud to function. Turns out I'm not needed after all. These heavy-duty hangers are made of hardened steel, hold up to 25 pounds, and comes with a marker to show you the optimum position to hang your pictures. These are especially handy for people who aren't super handy around the house or are scared they will hit a live wire. Without anchoring to a stud, these are the safest and most reliable ways to hang items from the wall. Then we have the command strips, also from 3M. These bad boys are a renter's dream, and not just because they're quick and easy to use. With the command strips, you can decorate your leased apartment with paintings without damaging the wall and sacrificing your deposit. Simply take two strips, put them back to back, and push them together. One click tells you that they're properly applied and ready to use. Next, clean the area on the wall with rubbing alcohol. Don't use household cleaners because they can leave a slippery residue. Their easy stick design makes them perfect for light pictures and novelty decorations. Simply stick them on a frame, press hard against the wall to set, and then remove the frame to allow the adhesive to set. After an hour, reapply the frame by lining the Velcro and press hard. The 3M command strips are simple, easy, affordable, and a non-repair solution to hanging lightweight items all around your home. No need for tools, putty, filler, or spare paint on hand if you mess up. The only problem is the weight limit. The large strips can handle 24-inch to 36-inch objects that weigh up to 16 pounds. The smaller hanging strips can only handle up to 4 pounds. Next on deck, we're going to check out some drywall anchors. And first up is the Cobra Anchors Triple Grip Drywall Anchor and Screw Assortment. These are pretty standard, designed for maximum durability. This 55-piece pack is meant for mounting furniture, mirrors, and picture hanging. They claim up to 46 pounds. The one difference between this and the 3M Claw 5 hangers is that with these, you're going to need to pre-drill a hole into the drywall or plaster. Needless to say, these are much more robust than the 3M command strips, and using them to hang a light photo frame is probably a little excessive. You thought those were fancy. How about a drywall anchor without the need for industrial power tools? Let's take a look at these zinc self-drilling drywall anchors. If you only have a Phillips head screwdriver and needed to hang an item weighing less than 50 pounds, you'd be in luck. These zinc self-drilling drywall anchors do most of the work for you. All you have to do is pick your spot and screw directly into the drywall. While these aren't as versatile and mostly intended for drywall use only, these anchors definitely hold their own. So, what's the verdict? Overall, all these wall hangers seem to get the job done. What it really comes down to is you and what you're going to use them for. Both claw hangers and wall anchors leave a small to larger hole as evidence. So if you're planning on using them, I'd suggest learning how to patch and repaint pretty quickly. The 3M command strips are limited in their application. However, they are ideal for people who want a no mess, no fuss hanging solution. So, I don't think we're going to pick a winner today. The best hangers are the best hangers for you. All these hanger options are great depending on the job you have. What we will do though, is we're going to give all of these hangers away today. With a little luck and fast fingers, all these hangers could be yours. We'll be giving them away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win these amazing products, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.